How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are having a great day. In this video, we're actually going to be talking about and installing a front lip that I so happen to get off of Amazon. So I've seen a lot of other people do this where they tell you if it's a good or bad product, but this is kind of the beginning of the budget WRX build. We've already done a axle black exhaust on the car and some little things here and there, but now we're starting to get some actual good stuff. So some meat, you know. So I got this front lip we got going on here. Kind of already unboxed it just to see what I actually got. So we got this going on here. It is Icon Motorsports. Never heard of them, and we're just gonna see how it fits, see how it looks. Gonna unbox it for you guys, and we're going to get to installing. So yeah, let's get into it. So like I said, I kind of already unboxed it a little bit and just to see what I actually got. So now I'm just going to peel this tape off and undo the box. Oh yeah, like I said, it was wrapped way better than this. But yeah, here's the front lip. It's gonna look so good. And as I've seen in videos, and I'm gonna also show you guys too, but there's gonna be some spots that we're gonna have to reuse some screws are already in there, and then it came with some extra hardware too for the little ones right there up front. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I didn't get the basic one that everyone gets, the CS style one, I believe, but yeah, I think this one actually looks a little bit better, a little bit more it's not as aggressive, but I do like this front portion right here, and I do believe that it's going to fill out nicely. So, this box out of here. Alright, so at first glance, I just have not even barely one side on yet. So, but just having like 3 push pins in, then the fitment is looking really nice. So I'll show you how I did that side in just a second. But yeah, so it's not even on this side, and you know, you just it's gonna get lined up when you put those push pins in. But yeah, so far so good. I think what I'm gonna do is that's why I didn't want to use these ramps, by the way, because it was gonna add you know, about like an inch or so lower, so I didn't want to put it on completely on ramps just yet. I might just put it on some boards, but a little later. But yeah, this is fitment's looking really great. I'm gonna show you how I did that side and then repeat it on this side, and then I think I'm going to write it up on some wood, and then I could show you how to put the screws in. So yeah, let's don't mind the hair. I had to take the hat off because it was in my way. So yeah, you just basically use those push clips. It's gonna be one right there, and then there's gonna be 2 right there. And it's the exact same on the other side as well. I'm just supporting it with the jack and that other ramp over there. But yeah, you just put those push pins in, and then across the front you're gonna use some screws, and then rinse and repeat on the other side. So let's get to it. once you get everything relatively lined up, then that's when you just give her a nice good shove, a good push, and then it'll sound like, so it sounds like you're breaking things at first, but really you're not. All you really gotta do is just kind of be careful with it and send it. So I want to finish putting these. I only have 2 more left. These little push pins in, and then we're gonna roll the car over on some blocks, and then put those screws in, and then we'll be good to go. All right, got those 3 things on there, those 3 push clips, and it actually kind of stays up really well, but I'm still gonna have to put those little screws in there. Make sure it's extra good. And then, yeah, dude, this fitment, I'm liking this fitment a lot. I think this calls for a sheesh. Yep, that's what it calls for. Good sheesh. The one sheesh of the video. It's like almost completely transformed the front end of this thing. Looks so good. Anyway, block it, drag it, screw it. So next we have screws. You have some without washers and some with washers. Now, it's pretty self-explanatory. The ones without washers are gonna go, there's screw holes just right, boop, boop, and boop. So you use the ones without washers for the small holes, and the ones with washers are gonna go along the outside, just like that, and then you're pretty much done. Then you could look back, say sheesh one more time, and then your install is pretty much done, and it's gonna look good. So let's head right under the car and get a screw-in. This is kind of what it's gonna look like when you have one side kind of done. So you have 1 screw there, 2 and 3, all the way back there, right there, and you have your 1, 2, 3 push pins also right back behind that corner there. Then you're gonna go in the center here, 1, 2, 3, and it's another 1, 2, 3. All right, centerpiece is done. Passenger side's done. Oops. And now I'm just gonna raise the car up a little bit. On this side, the wheel's not gonna leave the ground, just so I can stick my fat melon under there. So. Well, there you have it, folks. That is my wrap on the Icon Motorsports Amazon front lip for the Subaru WRX 2015 Plus. Also works on STIs. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was a pretty good one. Well, I had fun making it, I should say. But yeah. Awesome video, awesome little product. I would honestly give it like a 9.5 out of 10. The fitment is great, it looks great. I would probably choose a different material instead of just regular ABS plastic, but you get what you pay for. It was 150 bucks, I'm pretty sure. I'll link it down below if I can find it again. If it's I'll find it, but it'll probably be out of stock like everything else is right now. So yeah, super fun, cheap, easy front lip that you can do. Looks good. Not a lot of people run that lip from what I understand. So with all that being said, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Really gets me going. Really like to see the hype on these videos, and while you're down there, hit that subscribe button. Helps out a bunch. And I'll see you guys next time. I got 2 videos popping up right now. I'll see you later. Later.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.